in this question, we want to integrate 2 over x square root of 4 ln x minus ln x squared. And we observe that if you differentiate ln x, it gives you 1 over x. So it gives you the x outside the square root sign. So this substitution should work. You let u be ln x, and du dx is 1 over x. So it's same as du is 1 over x dx. So the x in the denominator and dx replaced by du. And then ln x, you replace it by u. So it's 4u minus u squared. And after that, you realize that it's in the form of 2 over square root of 4u minus u squared. And you can look at formula 15. Formula 15. So it gives you 1 over square root of a squared minus x plus b squared is sine inverse x plus b over a. And to do that, you have to complete the square. Once you see quadratic expression, you think of formula 14 to 20, and then you need completing square. So 4u minus u squared, you can write it as negative u squared minus 4u. And remember, x minus a squared is x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. So to complete the square, usually you consider x squared minus 2ax is actually x minus a squared minus a squared. So you can compare and find out what is a. So we'll be using this, and then this is your minus 2ax. So that means 2a is 4, so a is 2. So which means you should write it as negative u minus 2 squared minus 2 squared after completing square. So with that, you can bring in the minus sign. So it becomes 2 squared minus u minus 2 squared. So that's how you get u squared minus u minus 2 squared. You complete the square, and then you apply formula 15. Formula 15 will give you sine inverse. What you have is 1 over square root of 2 squared minus u minus 2 squared, right? So it should give you sine inverse u minus 2 over 2. So that's why it's sine inverse u minus 2 over 2. There's a 2 on top. So it's 2 times sine inverse u minus 2 over 2. Then you just replace it back by ln x. So the final answer is just 2 sine inverse bracket ln x minus 2 over 2 plus c. So you'll find that for this question, besides doing this substitution, whenever you see quadratic expression, you think of formula 14 to 20. Since it involves square root sign, you'll be like formula 15, 16, or 19, 20. And because after completing square is negative, it's u squared minus u minus 2 squared. So it fits into formula 15.